Okay. This coronavirus just suck. Now me can't go nowhere. Brady, maybe there is a good side to this virus thingy. Come on.
Really?
Yeah, maybe this coronavirus is giving us time to do smart things like looking at you being bored or reading a book. That is really smart. But I need something to last me for the entire week. Oh. Here. What is this?
What is this?
It is a Rubik's cube. It will keep you very busy. No, this is so boring, and this will last for like half an hour. You can't even solve that in one day. Oh really? I will solve this Rubik's cube in 10 minutes. It only been 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I can't fix this. Come on. 5 minutes. Give up yet, Brady. I will solve this
Rubik's cube.
Yeah, now go so I can focus on this
Rubik's cube.
Go on, baby. One. Let me focus. Billy! What are you doing? Billy! Billy! Me fix it! Bro, you fix it. Me gonna fix it.
Yes.
What me do? Me fix it.
You fix it.
Me fix it. Show you how.
Okay,
You fix it.
You fix it.
You're good.
Fix it.
You're good.
No, Joe.
Alright.
Let me see what you're talking about, man.
Yeah, where I say?
Don't get me wrong now. You fix it, man. But
What?
you never fix everything. Just focus on everything.